The platform is effectively a cloud-based architecture. Okay, it offers a smart, sorry, I'm an English person, so I use the word routing, not routing. But let's go with the standard term that everybody seems to use outside of the UK. So our platform effectively offers smart routing algorithms. So we assess work that's submitted into our portal, and we determine based upon a number of criteria where that job is best to be placed and fulfilled. A printer user or a client can get access to all the real-time information they need about their job. They can submit the job. Our algorithm, which is way too intelligent for its own good, will analyze that job, and it will determine against price, production options, performance. It could be specific location. It could even be a particular type of printing engine. That job would then be routed out to the nearest print facility that the algorithm deems sensible. Our algorithms rate the printers. So it could be that a printer is offering an enormous amount of what the job requires, but perhaps it's not got the same turnaround in terms of the speed that you need delivery against, in which case the algorithms will determine that. But effectively, we will then take that job. It will be delivered as a PDF to the nearest print facility of the delivery address. And that will obviously reduce you dramatically on cost, transit times, et cetera, et cetera. So it gives you a bit of an idea of it. On the other side of the fence, we have the printer partner. Now, the printer partners aren't one type of printer. I would say that all of our printer partners are what you could classify as digitally mature. These are people that have invested and are well versed in the world of digital print. Now, the digital print that they're producing, I know this is about publishing, but there is a reason for this explanation, but we have printers that fulfill against wide format, against giftware, against fabric and clothing, against products that aren't naturally associated with print. Because what we found is, and it could be that a book launch is also accompanied with some free accompanying merchandise, key rings, it could be a pillow, it could be a poster, any number of things could be accompanying that job. So our printers are, for the most part, very diverse. We do have some that are very, very specialist. But for a printer partner to come on board, they effectively can apply through the website, log, register, come in, and assess how they want to work with us. And they can work with us very much on a piecemeal basis, on a job-to-job basis, or they can actually integrate with our technology and allow a funnel to be piped straight from our API into their technologies, which, again, we'll touch on in a minute. But the most important factor with the printers is that we can provide an enormous amount of diversity in print work that's coming through, and all they need to do is fulfill. We do the rest. So the global print API that we have, which I will go into in more detail, because this industry is full of acronyms and jargon and buzzwords. For the purpose of now, an API is effectively an integration link. It allows third-party softwares to link to our technology, whether they be websites, ERP systems, some kind of a CRM, or on the other side, it could be a management information system or a production workflow in order to automate and speed things up. But again, we'll touch on that in a little while. So effectively, in a nutshell, we have the clients on the left who are submitting work of all manner into the system. The system analyzes the work that's coming in, and it will place that work at one or more print partners throughout the globe.